not doing anything. I'm not doing.
Stand up.
I can't. Are you kidding me? Please.
Hey, what happened? Hey, you guys are friends? You just found her like this? Oh, okay.
Take me home.
Is she here with anybody else?
Her friends left.
Her friends left her?
Yeah. I can't get a phone number. I can't get anything out of her. I didn't know what else to do besides call you guys.
Yeah, you're good. I appreciate it.
Here, I have some water. Do you want to drink that?
Hey, honey. What's your name?
She gave me permission to go through her stuff. She's from Rebecca.
Okay. Hi, what's your name?
I didn't call them. You had a lot of people trying to help you today.
Where's her stuff at?
Right here.
Parking violation down the handicapped area for parking accident.
Listen.
Running around partying and smoking.
You're not going to get in trouble. It's okay. They're here to help you.
What's your name, ma'am? What's your name? Perfect.
There's a lot of
Good.
I don't know. That's what they told me. I did not call them.
She was walking with some friends and they just left.
They just left her? Okay.
She said she didn't want anyone to take her home.
You're okay. They're not. Look, they're here to help you. They don't want you to see you get hurt.
They're gonna charge you the driver.
Listen, your safety is more important right now. Let them do what they need to do.
Across the street, that's water too.
Okay. Well,
Is there someone that can come pick you up?
We tried. Maybe I don't know.
You lost your
she doesn't
phone?
have her phone. She doesn't know any numbers. She doesn't know.
We checked Facebook. Nothing.
Yeah, we looked through Facebook. We tried to.
Okay.
She didn't have a phone in her purse. Her sister said
She lost her phone. Okay.
I did not. Listen.
If you're gonna call the cops on me,
Hey, listen. She didn't call us. We got called by somebody else, okay? She's here to help you, like us, okay? That's it. That's all it is.
we just saw you sweat.
Do you want this water? Yeah?
Star Squad. Yeah, Star Squad.
You want to try and drink some?
Probably dehydrated. Might help.
I'm not after you. I'm trying to help you. I don't even know you. I'm trying to help you.
Let me know how they start.
I didn't know that they were coming.
How you gonna dehydration?
Okay, well listen, let them take care of it, okay? You came to me wanting help, right? You're not assholes.
What's her name? Lauren. Hey, Lauren. Alright, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to call EMS squad to come check you out, okay? Because I think you're dehydrated.
This is where things start to spiral. What began as a welfare check quickly becomes something more volatile.
Get in trouble. I just want to help you. So why don't you drink this? Because that's going to help you. That's going to keep you out of trouble.
Just watch your foot because you got your puke over there, okay? We got from here, unless you guys want to
I was going to say, this is what she gave me.
This is all her stuff, okay.
So,
okay.
And I don't know anything else. She couldn't give us phone number, nothing.
Yeah.
Nothing to really help,
Right.
so.
No, you're good. I appreciate you staying with her until we got here.
Yeah.
Especially with the water being here.
don't. You're a ass bitch.
No.
Get the fuck away from me. She'll appreciate you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Apparently she fell in the water a couple times already.
Help and she called the police. So you guys will absolutely charge me.
Yeah, we're good. Unless you want to stay, you're more welcome to stay. But yeah, that's up to you. You can enjoy your nice hot day in Edgewater here. We got her here.
Thank you.
Yep.
Appreciate it.
Yep.
Just remain calm. We'll get the squad out here to check you out, okay? And
Check me out. Charge me for shit. We're not trying to have you on. We're trying to
We're not trying to charge you. We just want to make sure you're safe. That's it, okay? You want to try drinking some of this water? It'll make you feel better.
I just literally want to make sure that I'm not in trouble. I don't care about anything. I just want to make sure I'm not in trouble.
If you want to clear and go over that, I don't know what he's got. Yeah, we're good here.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I ask what county is this?
This is Cuyahoga County. You're at Edgewater right now. Okay. Where were your friends from? Why did your friends leave you?
What does that matter?
I'm just curious why they left you.
Why does that matter? I'm curious why does that matter?
Okay. I'm just asking, that's all. Are you okay? You look like you got some cuts. Are you okay other than that, the cuts?
Where do you see cuts?
You got cuts on your hand.
Where? Oh, because I fell earlier when I was drunk cleaning into the dock.
Did you hit your head at all?
Where do you see cuts on my head?
No, I'm saying, did you hit your head when you fell? No.
Okay. I did not hit myself. Don't need any help. I want to get home. What county is this? Cuyahoga.
Where'd you lose your phone at?
I don't know. If I knew where my phone was, I'd call and I wouldn't ask for police help.
Why don't you drink some water?
Can I put my feet in the water?
No, just stay right here. I don't want you to fall in. You said you fell in a couple times. I don't want you to fall in again.
Thank you. Because I would drown if it wasn't for you. How far are we?
You can feel the tension shift. The officers are trying to keep it calm, but her agitation is rising fast. She begins name-dropping. A common defense. Panic sets in, and so does the desperate attempt to regain control.
And you're like, oh my god, this girl's got a couple weed charges. Let's cite her for some more shit.
We don't care about your research.
Listen, we're not here about
Bullshit.
it.
Bullshit.
Listen.
You guys are gonna cite me for anything you
Lauren,
can.
listen.
No.
Listen.
You guys are gonna
Lauren.
cite me for anything you can.
Lauren, listen. Okay? We just need you.
Shit when you're gonna
we just-
cite me.
If you remain calm with us,
I
we remain
am
calm with you, and we're
What
not gonna
about this
and
is
we're
not
not
calm?
and we're not gonna cite you, okay? All you got to do is sit here and wait for the squad.
I will believe it when I see
That's
it.
it. Okay. So your action, your further actions will dictate our actions.
What about
So-
this is not calm?
That's if you remain just like this, you'll be fine.
I will. But I've had cops that did just this, that treat me like shit.
Have we treated you like anything but nice?
No, you haven't. But have other people that are just like this treated me like shit? Yeah.
We're not other people,
Yeah,
right?
we're not those other people.
How am I supposed to know? How am I supposed to know?
Yeah, I got a phone message for you.
You gotta have to take our word on it.
I will believe it when I see it.
Copy your phone.
I just
I'm
want
gonna take
help.
a number for right now. It's just made for PI for public.
Let me tell you this. I just want help. My grandpa, my uncle, my great uncle is the head sheriff of Lorain County. Okay? I just want
Phil?
help. My great
Stemeti?
Stemeti.
I know.
The name?
Yeah, I know.
You know the last name?
Yeah.
I just want help. I don't want to cause trouble. I just want to get help.
I know.
I was literally cried. I think I'm so many times. I'm disappointed. It's just thing I hear people. I just want to go home. I'm not causing disturbance or anything. I just want to go home.
We're looking to get you.
Thank you.
Perfect.
$3,000. Thank you. Thank you. $3,000.
Get inside the squad.
And thank you. $3,000. $3,000. $3,000 for no reason. Asshole.
Get in the squad now.
It doesn't make you any less of an asshole.
Everybody else in
turning
here wants to be
Screaming,
asshole.
flaring,
Alright.
Go ahead.
Nice started for her.
the body cam doesn't lie.
This is literally insane.
Now, if I can do one thing to start anything, it's only $300.
I don't care. It's $3,000.
It's not $3,000. It's
It's
$300.
not anything
It's
that I should have to.
it's cheap.
I don't have $3,000 for a bullshit anti ride.
Lauren.
So you.
Lauren.
No, don't call my first name. They're Mr. and Mrs.
Let them
because
do
we're
what they
not
have to do.
I'm gonna calm down right now, Smart.
They're usually $3,000.
You're an asshole. You told me $3,000. It's not you. It's not
Lauren.
you. don't even know each other.
He has her ID. I don't have it. Sorry. I just know her first name's
You're
Lauren.
the biggest motherfucker I've met in my life. I don't need a EMT ride.
Where are you from?
Are you kidding me?
She said Kent. She said Lorain County. She said a bunch of different places.
I said, call my uncle. He's the head sheriff of Lorain County.
Okay.
He'll come meet me out right now.
You call him. I'll meet him.
You call him.
Okay. I don't have his number.
Yeah, and he'll you up when he gets here.
Can you answer the questions for them? They need to
Nope,
answer
I'm not
questions.
answering anything. I'm not answering anything. I do not need to be in the EMT right now. I don't need you. I don't need a little police officer escort that the bitch
Too early to
called me on the
Well, we're about to get off in 15 minutes.
Oh, you are? I'm so sorry. Hey, no!
I
they
don't
don't?
need
Okay.
an EMT ride.
Yeah.
I'm not paying $3,000.
Have a seat. Have a seat.
I'm not paying $3,000 for this shit. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I don't need a $3,000 IMC ride. Yes, I do. I
they're gonna
do.
pay for it.
And I'm not paying $3,000
your
for
health
this ride.
insurance is going.
Are you kidding me? $3,000 for a ride in the EMT what I don't need?
Let them check you out.
You
And then
don't
when you
have to
sober
say.
up,
You don't
can go
have to
home.
say because you're not paying $3 grand.
Lauren,
You're not
stop.
paying $3 grand.
Do not hit me.
You're not paying $3 grand.
Or else you're going to jail.
I didn't hit you. Are you kidding me? I did not hit him. Are you
Sit
kidding
down
me?
now.
Are you kidding me? I hit
Sit
you?
down now.
Hon, it's all on camera, okay?
Yeah, I hope it is on camera. Tell me to sit down when I hit you. I hit you, right?
Sit down.
I hit you, right? I hope it's all on camera. I'm getting off this.
Okay. Yeah, you are.
Please,
can't
escort
pay
me off this bus. Escort me off this bus. No, actually
hands right
not.
back.
I'm not doing anything wrong. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I'm not doing anything wrong.
Come back over.
Am I under arrest? Am I under
Yeah,
arrest?
you are.
For what? For what?
For
For what?
conduct while intoxicated. Put your hands right.
Don't you hard enough?
Yes. I just rated it.
Okay, I'll cooperate. Stop tugging on me. I'm cooperating.
bags off.
I'm
Take your bags off.
cooperating.
Okay.
Stop
off.
grabbing on me.
Take your
Get
bags
off of me. I'm not good.
Now you got for assault on a police officer. How about that?
I'm not fucking doing anything this violent.
Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind your back. We're in cuffs.
Just so you know.
Don't fight me. Stop fighting.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
She's now in the back of the cruiser, claustrophobic, scared, furious, and emotional. A complete breakdown is unfolding.
Seat.
Your badge number.
Have a seat.
I want to know your badge
Have a seat.
number.
Relax.
If he's
Relax.
listen, look me like face, motherfucker. Can't even do it as a man. Can't even relax me as a man, you motherfucker. If you're gonna,
Hey, just hold it right there. Just hold it.
I'm about to hit west.
I will relax for you because you haven't put a hand on me. That's the only reason I'll relax for you because you haven't put a hand on me. Please let me cover my nipples off of you.
Alright, ready? Yeah.
115, I'll be there in 2.
I copy. Everything's fine right now. It's just pretty crowded. We can probably use 2 people up here.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. You good?
Yeah.
He's whacking her head. Hey!
Get her out. Hey, just open the door.
Hey! Don't knock your head like that!
No, stop. Stay in the car.
I don't care. Leave the door open then, please. I'm claustrophobic. I cannot handle it.
We'll roll down the windows, but...
Okay. No, please.
We'll roll down the windows, but we're not doing this.
Stay here a minute.
Fine right now.
Please. This is ridiculous. Nobody's telling me what the hell is happening.
Stop. Stay in the car.
Nobody is telling me
We're going to roll down the windows for you.
Yeah.
You're being booked in on assault on a police officer. That's what's
What
happening right now.
county?
Okay, you need to put your feet in.
I want to know what county we're in.
You're in Cuyahoga County. Put your feet in.
Call, please.
Put your
I would
feet
like
in.
my one phone call
Put your feet
from Phil Stamati,
Upper and lower.
Lorain County.
Put your feet in.
Do I not get my one share of everything? You guys have locked me up so illegally for no reason. No reason. And you beat me up and literally cuffed my arms for no reason. Please. Give me my one phone call. Please.
Hey, just to let you know, she's claiming her grandfather is Phil Stamati. I don't know if you guys got that yet or not.
Who is he to you?
She's Phil Stamati, the Lorain County Sheriff's granddaughter.
Your great uncle?
Or great uncle or something like that. That's what she's claiming, but we're going to take her down on assault on a PO. She kept pushing past me, and when we're trying to put her handcuffs, she started cutting my way.
I literally told him for 20 minutes to get off of me.
Yeah, I don't care. But I just want to give you a heads up on what's going on with this. So we're trying to get her calmed down enough to get her to jail. She keeps banging her head on the back of the car.
Are you kidding me? I'm gonna get assaulted.
Just give you a heads up on what's going on. Yep.
Who's gonna help you when they look at the cameras and see how illegally you arrested me like a mother?
You can do that, but you're going to be spending the night down in Cuyahoga County Jail tonight.
I would rather do that and see your job end up in the ditch shit of the scum of the world. What did I get?
Her story changes again. The accusations fly, but her credibility is fading with every contradiction.
And guy shows me up in the first place. What did you show up for in the first place?
Because you're intoxicated.
Yeah, it sounds like a bunch of bullshit to me. You look like every other bullshitter in my life that I've ever seen. Oh, I punched you in your little stupid chest and it hurt because you wouldn't get the off of me like every other police officer that assaults every other person. Oh, I hope your penis is 6 times larger. Oh, Cognito, water sip, water. Oh, I hope you have protein in that gymnastics.
Tickets for disorderly conduct while intoxicated.
Well, I didn't even get that until you guys pulled up on me. I'm gonna fight this fucking charge so hard.
You're more welcome to.
And you guys are about to lose your fucking jobs, dude. Grab me off the 4th boardwalk. Drag me. I have all the bruises in the world to show it, dude. My grandpa was a police officer in Akron for 56 years, you mother. And guess what? My great uncle, head sheriff of Lorain County, so he's gonna help me off with this because I didn't.
It ends not with peace, but with exhaustion. From officers, from her, from the viewer. And still no clear resolution, just another cautionary tale burned onto the body cam lens.
Watch your step down here, okay? Come on. Come on. Come on.